How many barrels of water? How many tons of soil? How much tonnage or volumes of electricity do we need to produce a bucket of paint? It's important when we make work to understand what is going to happen to that work after. All these materials, whoever the owners are going to become, and the artworks, at whatever point they feel tired and say it's enough, all they need to do is take it to the garden, lay it back to nature, and nature will absorb her back. And there is a beautiful poetic justice to that. My work is process-based, it's season-based. Until the different components are ready in season from their natural habitat, you're not going to get any materials. If you're going to get natural, authentic materials from nature, you have to respect the season of their bloom, the season of their harvest. And I find it very magical and radical. The idea that I'm moved to respect time. So until those materials are ready, I have to wait. And whilst I wait, I have to also find other things to do to respect my time of waiting. And that is refining my thoughts, that is refining the compositions in my mind, that is also settling and dealing and managing the other aspects of my life as a mother, as a female, as an activist, but also as a performance artist.
Wekavoji sawa netundu piwanga mola keja iwilok maswa dong wekavoji ker paraunen awekulok mumino chwinya ngeya mana woru kunu kumira.
Neena means see me, look at me, perceive me. So when I say Neena, I'm saying shift your gaze. Like take a good look. And I am here. The materials are here. The land is here. The universe is here. And it's heaving under the weight of our very unhealthy practices, creating concrete jungles that don't add up to much in the end. Instead of planting a tree, letting that tree or that plant live. I mean, what do we have to lose? It can live side by side. Yes, development has to happen. Yes, industrialization has to happen. But can we be mindful? Just let the waterways be. Take what you need, keep it flowing. Leave the trees, leave the wetlands. Take what you need, leave it to regenerate. It will still be here. And it is enough to sustain us. When I talk of Neena and uthii, I'm speaking of these materials, of their sourcing, the context of their production, and the people. They're women who defy these norms, these unhealthy structures, who, away from all that pressure, use the weaving, the sewing, the braiding of all these materials to serve as their mental health management. It's found in the rituals of making. It's found in nature. It's found in the community, the transformation of different materials from one state to the next. And that is the magic. Their colors are very primary and very dense. They are a gut punch. And it speaks a lot to the different emotions and the different struggles that they are contending with. Struggles about livelihood, struggles about longevity, struggles about human dignity. Beyond the transformation that is the work that they produce, the fact that they know which plants are going to survive millennia without the need for Western preservatives, beyond the mathematical advancement that they have to know that if I carve this globe, if I sew it this way, if I use this kind of thread from nature, it's going to hold. That same basket over there, because that's a grain basket that is contained within, You add your cereal in there, and I kid you not, it will not go bad. It's a self-preserving bowl. Our primary languages are so rich, so elastic. They embody so much like color. And it's about time that I start inviting my different global audiences to interact with me from the capsule of my primary language. And that is Alur, that is Luganda, that is Runyankore-Chiga, which I learned, and Swahili. The performance I did earlier, which is in Alur, I got comments about I connected more with the second song, because even without knowing what it meant, what I was singing about, the emotion was very present. The tone, the depth of feeling said more than words can ever say. In many ways, language beyond the tongue is about finding effective, efficient, fluent ways to proffer healing and love and unity, peace and coherence. And you're not going to find that in an English dictionary.